Hey friends, if you're unable to load a file in Google Docs, if you get this error, then please watch this video. So basically, being unable to load a file in Google Docs means that Google Docs doesn't open at all. And this is a strange case. So before anything else, check the internet speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet speed. Is it good enough? Though we don't need a lot of speed for Google Docs, that's light software, but still. The next one is to check the Google server status. So search online for Google server status. Now scroll down and go to status.cloud.google.com. Okay. And now check the status of all of its services. Is anything down? If yes, then check which one is down. You can also check it for specific regions like Americas, Europe, or and so on. Usually, it won't be down. Now, the rest of the troubleshooting is browser level, so clear the cache and cookies. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select History. Click on the bin symbol here. Change the time range to all time and then click on Clear Now. The next one is to remove extensions. So, how will we remove the extensions? So let us say that we're using Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Click on manage extensions. Check by if turning off an extension is helping the problem. If yes, then you can also remove the extension. And the last one is to reset the browser, obviously. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to the reset settings tab. Click on restore settings to the default value. Select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.